Good morning, children. Let's start with our next chapter, that is a poem, The Brook. Okay, first of all, tell me, do you know what is a brook? Brook is a small stream, एक छोटा झरना, एक छोटी नदी. So let's start with the new words first. Sally. Sally is sudden act of rushing out, emerging suddenly. Sally means when something comes out forcefully, when something comes out rushing out, बहुत जोर से जो चीज़ आती है. You must have seen the waterfalls. They come very forcefully. So this is Sally. Thops. Villages. Thops are villages. Brimming. Overflowing. Overflowing means ऊपर तक भरा हुआ जो नीचे गिर रहा है. Brimming means overflowing. Edging. Moving fast in circles. Wind, water, smoke. When wind moves in a circle, water moves in a circle, smoke moves in a circle, what do we say? It's eddying. Fallow. Uncultivated land. Fallow means uncultivated land, which with that land where no crops are grown or cannot grow the crops, unfertile land, it's a fallow land. Mallow. A type of flower, pink or purple with hairy stems. Mallow is a type of flower which is of pink and purple color with hairy stems. Lusty. Lusty means strong and vigorous. Strong, vigorous means full of energy. That is lusty. Grayling. Silver grey water fish. Grayling is a type of fish. Silver grey color, it's a type of fish. Skimming. Moving quickly over the surface. Skimming means when the birds sit on the surface of the water and they fly, quickly they go and fly. This is skimming. Bramble, a blackberry bush. Bramble is a blackberry bush. एक ऐसी झाड़ी जो जामुन की झाड़ी होती है उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? Blackberry bush. Shingle, coarse gravels consisting of rounded stones. Shingle are the small stones. Crassus, an edible part which looks like cabbage. Crassus is an edible plant. Edible plant means which can be eaten. It looks like a cabbage. Let's start the poem, The Brook. The brook means a little stream. What is the meaning of the brook? A little stream. And this poem is written by Alfred Lord Tennyson. It is written by Alfred Lord Tennyson. Okay. In this poem, first of all, let me tell you that in this poem, the brook itself is telling its journey from the mountains and valleys to the final destination, that is the river. Now, the brook itself is telling, it is itself speaking that how is my journey when I start from the mountains and valleys, and then I pass through all the little stones and birds and flowers and everything, and then I reach to my final destination, that is the river. So let's get started. Here the brook is saying, I come from haunts of coot and hern, I make a sudden sally, and sparkle out among the fern to bicker down a valley. Now, here the brook is saying that it starts its journey from the places where we go a lot and where coot and hern live. What is the meaning of coot and hern? Coot and hern are aquatic birds. They are the water birds. So, the brook is saying that I pass through this coot and hern, and they are the aquatic birds. I come with full force and sparkle among the fern. It says that I come with full force. मैं पूरे जोर के साथ आता हूँ और among the ferns, plant with flowers. What is a fern? Fern is a plant with flowers. To bicker down a valley. I come with full force and sparkle among the fern, and making noise I come to the valley. Bicker down the valley means to make noise. झरना क्या बोल रहा है, स्ट्रीम क्या बोल रही है कि मैं पास करता हुआ माउंटेन से वैली तक आता हूँ. Then by 30 hills I hurry down. अब वो क्या बोल रहा है कि I cross 30 hills or slip between the ridges, by 20 thops a little town and half 100 bridges. Now it says that I cross 30 hills. ridges, 20 villages, a town, and about 50 bridges. Half a hundred bridges means half 100 का half क्या हुआ 50. So 50 bridges वो पास कर रहा है, ridges को पास कर रहा है, towns को पास कर रहा है, and 30 hills को वो पास करता हुआ आगे बढ़ रहा है. अब what are ridges? Ridges are way between the mountains. जो रास्ते mountains के बीच में से निकल के होते हैं, that are ridges. Till last, by Philip's farm I flow to join the brimming river, for men may come and men may go, but I go on forever. Now the brook is saying that lastly I flow till the Philip's farm. Philip's farm, Philip here is the name of a person, but how does a brook know that it is the Philip's farm? It pretends as it knows who is the owner of the farm. वो pretend कर रहा है कि मुझे पता है कि Philip's का farm है. It flows and then joins the overflowing river. अब वो फ्लो करता करता ओवरफ्लोइंग जो बड़ा रिवर आ जाता है उसको ज्वाइन वो कर लेता है. Now it is telling us about the life cycle of a human being. Please understand this thing here, that here the poet is trying to tell us about the life cycle of a human being, that human beings take birth and then they die. They come and go. So the life process of the human beings are like this. But the brook keeps on flowing. It doesn't stop, and means it has no end. There is no end of the brook. It never dies and it never takes birth. So it keeps on flowing. It keeps on moving. I chatter over stony ways in little sharps and trebles. Now chatter is used for sound. As we say monkeys chatter, this means monkeys sound is the chattering sound. So here the brook is saying that when I flow, I make sounds over the stony ways. जब मैं stony ways means पथरीला रास्ता, जब मैं पथरीले रास्ते से जा रहा हूँ तो मैं वहां से भी साउंड करता हुआ जाता हूँ. इन लिटिल शार्प्स एंड ट्रेबल्स, जो शार्प तीखे रास्ते होते हैं वहां से भी मैं स्क्रीमिंग करता हुआ जाता हूँ, जोर जोर से चिल्लाता हुआ जाता हूँ. I bubble into edding ways. Edding, as I told you in the new words also, that it is a spiral movement. जब वाटर सर्कल्स में घूमता है वाटर तो उसे क्या बोलते हैं एडिंग बेज. तो जब वो सर्कल में घूमता है तो वहां बबल्स क्रिएट होते हैं. आई बैबल ऑन द पैबल्स. बैबल इज ऑल्सो काइंड ऑफ साउंड. मैं वहां से भी बैबल करता हुआ जाता हूँ, पैबल्स से भी. आई मेक साउंड एंड पास थ्रू द पैबल्स. पैबल्स आर स्मॉल स्टोन्स. मैं वहां से भी पैबल करता हुआ जाता हूँ. With many a curve my banks I fret, by many a field and fallow, and many a fairy foreland set, with willow, weed and mallow. Now, the brook is saying that as I move with curves, I feel uneasy. Fret means feeling uneasy. With many a curve my banks I fret. As I move with the curves, this brook is saying itself. वो अपनी स्टोरी खुद सुना रहा है कि एज आई मूव विद कर्व्स आई फील अनईजी. जब मैं कर्व लेके जाता हूँ, कर्व्स लेके घूमता हूँ तो आई फील क्वाइट अनईजी. By many a field and fallow, I cross lots of fields and uncultivated lands. Fallow, I told you earlier, is an uncultivated land, जहाँ पे कोई भी crops grow नहीं हो रही होती. That is a fallow land. And many a fairy foreland set. I go through very beautiful lands which is surrounded by the sea. And there are many herbs and mallows. I keep on chattering as I flow and join the river. Now here, and it is saying fairy foreland. What is the meaning of fairy? Fairy, you know, when you hear the stories of the fairies, परियों की कहानी जब आप सुनते हो तब आपको बहुत अच्छी लगती है. मतलब परियों का देश, वो लैंड को क्या बोल रहे हैं? ब्यूटीफुल लैंड बोल रहा है उसको, परियों का देश बोल रहा है उसको, फेयरी फोरलैंड. And set with willow, weed and mallow. Willow weeds, what are willow weeds? Types of herbs. एक छोटे छोटे प्लांट होते हैं, उन्हें क्या बोलते हैं? willow weeds. Types of herbs होते हैं. And mallows are the flowers with pink and purple color. So it is saying that I cross the fairy foreland set. मतलब मैं beautiful lands को cross करता हूँ, herbs को cross करता हूँ, mallows को cross करता हूँ, and then now it is crossing everything, the beautiful lands, the herbs, and then I keep on chattering as I flow to join the river. Now it says that I keep on chattering. मैं chatter करता करता, noise करता करता निकल रहा हूँ from the valleys and mountains, और chattering करता I am joining the full brimming river. Okay, next paragraph. I went about and in and out with here a blossom sailing, and here and there a lusty trout, and here and there a grayling. Now the brook is saying that I am moving in and out. In and out means it is not moving smoothly. It is moving with curves, and it is carrying along it blossoms, flowers, and fishes. Trout and grayling. What are trout and grayling? Are the fishes. It is moving, and carrying trout and grayling with them, and sometimes there is foamy flake upon me, and here and there a foamy flake upon me as I travel with many a silvery water break above the golden gravel. Now it is saying that it is moving with curves, and it is carrying along blossoms and fishes like trout and grayling, and sometimes there is foamy flake upon. Foamy flake क्या होता है? झाग. कभी कभी मेरे ऊपर क्या आ जाती है? झाग आ जाती है. I sparkle on the stones which look like gold. मैं स्टोन्स के ऊपर स्पार्कल करता हूँ, शाइन करता हूँ, which look like gold. Golden gravel means stones which look like gold. And draw them all along and flow to join the brimming river, for men may come and men may go, but I go on forever. Now the brook is saying that I am drawing all the things with me. Means whatever he is finding, it is finding in the way, it is carrying along with him, and I am taking everything with me to join the river. Again the same lines are here. To join the brimming river, for men may come and men may go, but I go on forever. जैसे human beings आते हैं, they take birth and then they die, but I always keep on flowing. There is no end of my life. I steal by lawns and grassy plots, I slide by hazel covers, I move the sweet forget-me-nots that grow for happy lovers. Now, as the brook was earlier saying that it is making sounds while flowing, but now try to understand this thing, but now it is saying that it is stealing by the lawns and grassy plots. What do you mean by stealing by the lawns and grassy plots? It means चुपचाप से निकलना. Steal here means चोरी करना नहीं है. Literal meaning is चोरी करना. But if we see through in the poem here, the poet wants to say that stealing means चुपचाप से निकलना. पहले तो वो बहुत शोर मचाता हुआ जा रहा था, but now he is stealing the lawns and grassy plots. मतलब lawns और grassy plots से वो चुपचाप से निकल रहा है. I slide by hazel covers. Hazel here means a type of tree. Hazel is a type of tree. I slide. What is a slide? Whenever you go to lawns or parks, you take slides. Slide is a swing. So it is saying that I'm swinging along the hazel covers. मैं hazel trees के साथ swing करता हुआ जा रहा हूँ. I move the sweet forget-me-nots that grow for happy lovers. I am moving along the forget-me-nots. What are forget-me-nots? Forget-me-nots are the flowers, a very beautiful flowers that grow for happy lovers. I slip, I slide, I gloop, I glance. Among my skimming swallows, I make the netted sunbeam dance against my sandy shallows. Now, the brook is telling us about its movements while flowing, that how it is moving. It is saying that I am slipping, I am sliding, I am glooming, I am glancing means I am sliding, मैं swings के जैसे जा रहा हूँ, swings लेता हुआ जा रहा हूँ. मैं glooming, मैं चुपचाप से जा रहा हूँ. Glancing, मैं सब कुछ देखते हुए जा रहा हूँ. Among my skimming swallows, and some swallows are also skimming on me. Swallows are the birds. They sit and go. They sit and go. So this means skimming. Means they quickly sit and go. When the sun rays fall on me, और जब sun rays मेरे ऊपर गिरती है, what is sunbeam? Sunbeam means sun rays. जब मेरे ऊपर गिरती है, and the sand under me shines with the rays of the sun, I dance. And जब वो sun rays fall on me and I look like a netted, मुझ में ऐसे लगता है net है जैसे. You can see over me. मेरे नीचे जो अंडर सब कुछ है वो आप देख सकते हो. You can see the sand under me. जब वो सन रेज स्पार्कल करती है उसके ऊपर, तो आप उसका जो अंदर वाला नीचे वाला जो ग्राउंड बेस होता है वो भी आप उसका देख सकते हो. इट्स सो क्लीन. सो आई डांस. ठीक है. I murmur under moon and stars in brambly wilderness. I linger in my shingly bars. I loiter round my tresses. Now, let's come to the last stanza of the poem. Now, the brook is tired. Now, it is moving all through the day. And now it is saying that I am very tired. मैं थक गया हूँ अब. And now it is not chattering, but moving in a low sound under the moon and stars. I murmur. Murmur means low sound under the moon and stars. अब मैं moon और stars के बीच में murmur कर रहा हूँ. बहुत low sound से मैं चल रहा हूँ. In brambly wilderness, thorny bushes के साथ. अब loneliness हो गई है. Moon and stars. What do you mean by moon and stars here? Here the poet is trying to say that moon and stars here refers to the night. Means the night has fallen and I'm moving among the thorny bushes. कांटेदार झाड़ियों में मैं मूव कर रहा हूँ और अब लोनलीनेस हो गई है. बहुत रात हो गई है. अब मुझे कोई नजर नहीं आ रहा है. And I am lonely here. I am lingering by the small stones that come my way. अब जो भी small shingly bars होते हैं, small stones. Linger means धीरे धीरे जाना. मैं जब लिंगर कर रहा हूँ, अब मैं लिंगर कर रहा हूँ स्मॉल स्टोन्स के बीच में. आई एम लिंगरिंग. आई लॉइटर राउंड माई क्रेसेस. मैं लॉइटरिंग कर रहा हूँ अब राउंड माई क्रेसेस. लीव्स, प्लांट लीव्स के साथ में, क्रेसेस के साथ में अब लॉइटर कर रहा हूँ, मतलब मूविंग विदाउट एनी डेस्टिनेशन. And out again I curve and flow. Again I am flowing with curves to join the river. It says that men come and go. Life cycle of the human beings is that they take birth and then die. But I keep on flowing. There is no end of me. I keep on flowing, continuing. I never stop in between. Thank you.